Habaragani, I am Assemblymember Lorinda Hooks, and I'm honored to speak with you today about Ujima, collective work and responsibility. This third principle of Kwanzaa resonates deeply with me because it represents exactly what our community here in Corona, East Elmhurst, Lefrak City, has always done best, working together to build and maintain our community. When I think about what Ujima looks like in practice, I think of the very building I am sitting in. The Langston Hughes Community Library and Cultural Center itself is one of our community's most powerful examples of Ujima in action. Back in 1969, a group of dedicated community residents came together as the Library Action Committee, recognizing that our children, our families, needed a space that would celebrate and preserve our culture and heritage. They didn't wait for others to solve this need. They took collective responsibility and they acted. These community members pooled their resources, shared their talents, and worked tirelessly to create this incredible institution. They demonstrated what Ujima teaches us, that we are all responsible for our brothers and sisters, that their problems are our problems, and their victories are our victories. The library stands today as a testament to what we can achieve when we embrace collective work and responsibility. In early 1950, a group of local homeowners decided to form an organization to address the needs and concerns of the community. A constitution was drafted, and in 1951, the East Elmhurst Civic Association was formally constituted. As the community grew, homes were no longer able to accommodate membership meetings. A committee was formed to approach the owners of the clubhouse located on Ditmars Boulevard to rent the space for future meetings. An agreement was reached, and the Civic Association had a meeting place for third Monday of every month since then. The men also formed a sandlot baseball team for the youth, and youngsters later competed against other youth groups around the country. This would be the genesis of Elmcorp. In the mid-60s, the EECCA officers suggested to the membership that the Civic Association sponsor a daycare center. The building was erected at Gilmore Street and Astoria Boulevard and was later renamed the Jerome Hardiman Daycare Center. This spirit of Ujima continues to thrive in our community. I've seen it throughout my years as a community organizer. When our seniors needed affordable housing, we advocate as one voice. When our children need better educational resources, we organize together. When our newest neighbors need support, we step up as a community, because community is family. You know, my recent election to the State Assembly for District 35 isn't just my victory. It's a testament to Ujima in action. It's the result of countless community members coming together, sharing their dreams for our neighborhood, and working collectively to make those dreams reality. Building on my platform, that community is family. As we celebrate this principle during Kwanzaa, I want us all to think about how we can embrace Ujima in our daily lives. Just like those founding members of the Library Action Committee, we each have the power and responsibility to contribute to our community's well-being. Every action, no matter how small, adds to our collective strength. Our community's strength has always been in our unity, in our willingness to work together, and in our understanding that we all share responsibility for making our neighborhood better. From improving public safety to ensuring quality education, from fighting for affordable health care to creating opportunities for our youth. These aren't just individual challenges, they're our collective responsibility. As we move forward together, let's remember that Ujima isn't just a principle we celebrate during Kwanzaa. It's a way of life that has built our community and will continue to sustain us. The Library Action Committee showed us the way, and their legacy inspires us to continue their work to collective responsibility and community building. Let's continue to build together, dream together, and work together. That's Ujima. That's who we are. Thank you.